Hey everyone, and once again, welcome to WS Cube Tech. Myself, Umar Taskir. Guys, in this particular video, we are basically going to talk about Google Search Network, which is GSN, and then Google Display Network, which is GDN. Many of the times, people get confused between Google Search Network, what it actually is, and what is Google Display Network. So, we are going to explore GSN and GDN and the differences between them, right? So, now when we talk about Google Search Network, what Google Search Network is? So, coming to the basic definition, it's basically a group of search related websites and apps where your ad can appear. So whenever someone is coming onto Google, right, onto Google search, they are typing some query and your search ads pops up, right? Now remember, it is not the only place where your search ad basically appears, right? Many of the times people believe that whenever a search ad appears, it only appears in the search engine result pages of google.com, right, of google.com. It's not like that. There are other websites also which are some way or somehow associated with Google ads, and your search ad will also appear on those websites, right? But you have to select that option whenever you will be creating your campaign. You have to select that option, that whether you want to allow allow Google to show your ads on those partner search websites or not, right? So those partner websites where your ad can be seen is basically called as Google Search Network. So there are many websites out there, right? And if we categorize them into two parts, the first one is Google search sites. So these are the websites, or these are the properties which are basically owned by Google, right? So the google.com, google.co.in, different search sites at Google domain, Google Play, right? Your app store. So if anyone is searching something out there, your search ad can also show over there, right? Google Maps, anyone typing something into Google Maps, if it is relevant to your query or your keyword which is there into your ad group, your search ad might show up there also, right? So these are Google search sites which are basically owned by Google, and then there are Google's partner site which are directly not owned by Google, but because of Google some tools, these websites can also show search ads, Google search ads, and earn something out there, right? Now, a very famous website is out there which is W3 Schools, which uses Google custom search engine. And now through this Google's custom search engine, now different search ads can also appear on W3 Schools. Now, W3 School is a website which is not basically owned by Google, but still different search ads can also come over there, right? But different search ads can be shown there, right? I mean, they can show different search ads just because of this Google's custom search engine, right? So the properties which are basically owned by Google and search ad can show on them, right? Search ad can show on them are basically called as Google Search Network. It's a group of search related websites and apps. That is what is mentioned over here in a very basic definition. Now, if we talk about Google partner sites, those can show search ads also. And the example is W3 School. So I'm showing you the example live over here, right? So let's go to W3 Schools, and if you come to this W3 Schools, and if you come over here, what you will find is, let's see, Google search section will be there, right? It is over here, right? Once you click on this, and let's say I'm typing digital marketing course over here, just a query like a normal person, right? Normal user. So as soon as you are clicking on this and you got some results, just like a search engine result page, now you can easily identify some ads are over here, right? This one is the ad which you are seeing over here. This one is again the ad which you are seeing over here. So you are getting top four results in the form of ads over here. And then at the bottom, let's see, do we have any ads over here also? No, we do not have any ads over here also. So we have four ads at the top side, and you can also figure out that this is enhanced by Google, right? So it is written over here that it is enhanced by Google. So now these ads which you are seeing over here are by Google. So whenever you are creating your campaign, you have the option over there that whether you want to show your search ads or search campaigns on these search network websites also, or search partner websites also, or you do not want. So you have that option. If you'll check it, right, if you'll make it okay, if you'll check it, then your ad will show on different search network partner websites also, just like this one, W3 School. There are many these kind of websites, and now these kind of websites are basically powered by Google custom search engines, right? So this is called as Google custom search engine, which you can also install, which you can also embed on your website, right? So this is what written over here, Google custom search engines. And now if we search about Google custom search engine that you can create, right? Google custom search engine, you can create this thing and you can embed this thing on your website. You can take the help of your developer, and this is programmable search engine by Google, right? So let's come back. This is not the thing. This is Google custom search engine. Fine. And it is basically programmable search, right? So we can simply add search engines over here. We can create our search engine over here, and then we will get a code over here, and we can use that code onto our website. Fine. We can use that code onto our website. So this is how it actually works. Google partner sites, this is how your ad or your search ad is going to show up on Google's partner website, right? And then there are native websites which are basically owned by Google, and if your search ad is showing on that those websites or these websites, those are basically into Google's own search network, and these are Google partner network, right? So this is how your search ad is going to show up. So one thing we have to make clear in the very beginning, it's not only the Google search engine result page that where your ad is going to show up, where your search ad specifically, to be very specific, where your search ad is going to show up, there are other places, locations also over the internet where your search ad can show up, and that thing you have to decide. You will get the option while creating your campaign. You'll be having that option, you'll having that control, that whether you want to show it on Google partner websites or not, right? now now let's talk about Google Display Network. There's Google Display Network also, and your ad, like your search ad or your display ad, can be shown on those display networks also, right? So there are like 2 million websites which are basically associated with Google by AdSense or by any other means, right? So there are other videos also, the videos that I upload on YouTube, right? If my YouTube channel is monetized, I am basically into their uh, partner network, into Google's partner network, and now people can show their ads, or Google can show their ads onto our content, right? So this is how people come, or websites or apps comes into Google's partner network, where others ad can basically appear. So in Google's display network, we have YouTube, right? We have YouTube, one of the very I mean, one of the biggest content platform in the world, right? Then we have AdSense, through which different websites can come under Google Display Network, and we can show our ads on different websites. Even our search ad can also appear on different display websites, display network websites, and even those banners can also appear on those display websites, right? Display network websites. So just to make you sure that we do have that option, that if we want to show our search ad on websites, right, on different websites which are into display network, we have that option. We can check that option, right? We can check that option, then our search ad will also be appear on those websites, right? Then we have DoubleClick Ad Exchange also. It's a real-time marketplace to buy and sell display advertising. So there are two things basically. To conclude, there are two things. One is Google Search Network, another one is Google's Display Network. So there are two things, right? And Google Search Network is basically for your search ads, and Google Display Network is basically for your display network, display ads, your banner ads and everything. But sometimes your search ad can also appear in the form of small banners onto those websites which are there into your display network. Again, you will have that option, that whether you want to show your search ad on those websites or not, right? So these are two very important things that we should know, right, when we are learning Google Ads. So that's it for this particular video. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.